You own 17 personal finance books. You've read 12 of them. You can quote Dave Ramsey. You debate index fund allocation on Reddit. You've watched hundreds of hours of financial education content, and you're still broke. Not because you're stupid, not because the advice is bad, but because you're treating money like a subject to study instead of a skill to practice. You wouldn't try to learn karate by reading books about punching. You'd practice punching 10,000 times until your body knew it without thinking. Money is the same. It's not a knowledge problem. It's a practice problem. The Japanese have a word for this: kata, personalized practice patterns that turn information into reflex. And it's the difference between people who know about money and people who have money. Today, you'll learn why reading about budgeting doesn't make you budget, why understanding investing doesn't make you invest, and how to build your personal financial kata that actually transforms your wealth. Subscribe to Monetisum, like this video, and comment. How many financial books have you read? Now let's talk about why your bookshelf is full, but your bank account is empty. Chapter 1. The knowledge gap isn't your problem. Meet two people, same age, same income, same debt, both read the same financial books. Marcus read everything. He finished Dave Ramsey's Total Money Makeover. He understood the debt snowball. He knew exactly how it worked. Smallest debt first, gain momentum, pay off everything. He read articles about index fund investing. He understood compound interest. He knew Vanguard index funds with low expense ratios would build wealth over decades. He watched videos about budgeting. He understood zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets a job. Track everything. Live intentionally. Marcus had all the knowledge. He could explain these concepts to others. He got into debates on Reddit defending index fund investing, but his bank account? Same as before. Still 14,000 in credit card debt. Still zero invested. Still spending more than he earned. Chun read the same things, same books, same articles, same knowledge. But Chun did something different. Chun created kata. After reading about the debt snowball, Chun didn't just understand it. He practiced it. Every single day. Every morning, 7 a.m., 15 minutes. He looked at his debts. He calculated extra payments. He transferred money. He adjusted his budget. Not once. Every day. For 90 days straight. Until it became automatic. Until he didn't need to think. Until it was reflex. After reading about index funds, Chun didn't just understand them. He practiced. Every Friday, 3 p.m., 10 minutes, he logged into Vanguard. He set up automatic transfers. He checked his allocations. He rebalanced if needed. Not once, every Friday, for 6 months straight, until it became routine, until investing was as automatic as brushing his teeth. 2 years later, Marcus still had the same debt, same zero invested, same financial stress. He knew what to do. He just didn't do it. Chun was debt-free, had 18,000 invested, building wealth consistently, not because he knew more than Marcus, because he practiced more than Marcus. This is the difference between knowledge and kata. Chapter 2. What is kata? Kata is a Japanese word meaning form or pattern. In martial arts, kata is a sequence of movements practiced until they become muscle memory. A karate student doesn't just learn a punch. They practice that punch 10,000 times. Same motion, same form, same sequence. Until the body knows it without thinking. Until it's reflex, not thought. Financial kata is the same concept applied to money. It's not learning what to do once. It's practicing what to do until it becomes automatic. Until your finances run on reflex, not willpower. Most people think their financial problem is knowledge. I don't know how to invest. I don't understand budgeting. I need to learn more about debt payoff. Wrong. Your problem isn't knowledge. Your problem is practice. You haven't built the kata. Here's why generic advice fails. Dave Ramsey says use the debt snowball. Great advice. But he doesn't tell you. Practice reviewing your debts every Monday at 8 a.m. for 12 weeks until it's automatic. Index fund blogs say invest regularly. Great advice. But they don't tell you. Practice logging into your brokerage every Friday at noon for 6 months until it's reflex. Budget experts say track your spending. Great advice. But they don't tell you. Practice entering every expense within 2 hours for 90 days until it becomes unconscious. The advice is information. Kata is transformation. Information tells you what. Kata makes you do what. Information lives in your head. Kata lives in your habits. And habits, not knowledge, determine your wealth. Chapter 3. The 4 Elements of Financial Kata. Chun built wealth not through better knowledge, but through better kata. Here are the 4 elements that make kata work. Element 1. Specific time and place. Generic advice. Budget your money. Kata. Every Sunday at 9 a.m. at my kitchen table, I review last week's spending and plan this week's budget for 30 minutes. See the difference? Kata has location, time, and duration. Element 2. Minimum repetition threshold. One-time actions don't create habits. Habits require repetition. Lots of it. The Kata rule. 90 days minimum for simple habits. 6 months for complex habits. Chun's investment kata. Every Friday, 3 p.m. for 6 months straight. 26 repetitions. By month 3, it felt natural. By month 6, it was automatic. He didn't think about it. He just did it. Most people try once, maybe twice, then quit. I tried budgeting. It didn't work. You didn't try budgeting. You did it once. That's not kata. That's just information. Kata requires minimum 90 repetitions before you can judge if it works. Chun's first budget kata. 5 categories. 10 minutes. Every Sunday. That's it. Not perfect. Not comprehensive. Just sustainable. After 90 days, it was automatic. Then he added complexity. But he started small enough to actually do it repeatedly. Most financial advice fails because it demands perfection immediately. Kata succeeds because it demands consistency over perfection. Chun's investment kata was Friday 3 p.m. because that's when his paycheck hit his account. Not Tuesday, not Thursday, Friday, because that's what worked for his life. Your kata must fit your schedule, your energy, your life. Generic plans fail because they're not yours. Kata succeeds because you build it for yourself. The question isn't, what should I do? The question is, what can I actually practice consistently for 90 days? If you can't practice it consistently, it's not kata. It's just wishful thinking. Chapter 4. Building your wealth kata. Here's exactly how to build your personal financial kata that actually works. Step 1. Choose one financial behavior to master. Not 5. Not 10. 1. What's the single financial behavior that would change everything? If it became automatic? For Chun, it was debt payoff. For you, it might be different. Maybe it's tracking spending. Maybe it's investing. Maybe it's saying no to impulse purchases. Choose one, master it, then move to the next. Step 2. Design your minimum viable kata. Ask yourself, what's the smallest version of this behavior I can practice consistently? Not the perfect version, not the comprehensive version, the sustainable version. Example, don't start with track every expense in 17 categories. Start with every night before bed. Write down the 3 biggest expenses from today. That's sustainable. You can do that for 90 days. Build from there. Step 3. Assign specific time, place, and trigger. When exactly will you practice? Where exactly? What triggers it? Chun's formula. After existing habit, at specific time, in specific place, I will kata behavior for a specific duration. Example, after I pour my morning coffee, at 7:15 a.m. at my kitchen table, I will review my debt payoff plan for 10 minutes. The specificity makes it automatic. Step 4. Commit to 90-day minimum. Kata isn't a trial, it's a commitment. 90 days minimum. No judging if it works before 90 days. Just practice. Track it. Cross off each day. 90 boxes. Fill them all. Then evaluate. Most people quit after 2 weeks. It's not working. You didn't give it time to become automatic. Stick to 90 days. Step 5. Stack after mastery. After 90 days, your first kata is automatic. Now you can add a second kata. Not replace. Add. Chun sequence. Month 1 to 3. Debt payoff kata every Monday. Month 4 to 6. Added investment kata every Friday. Month 7 to 9. Added spending review kata every Sunday. He didn't try all 3 at once. He stacked after mastery. That's why they all stuck. Chun's results after 1 year. 3 katas running automatically. Debt payoff Monday mornings. 14,000 debt eliminated. Investment Friday afternoons. 18,000 invested. Budget review Sunday mornings. Spending down 20%. Not from better knowledge, from better practice. From Kata, Chapter 5. Why most advice fails and Kata succeeds. Financial advice gives you information. Do this. Invest here. Budget this way. Information is necessary, but information alone is useless. The advice to action gap is where everyone fails. You know you should budget. You don't budget. You know you should invest. You don't invest. You know you should track spending. You don't track spending. The gap isn't knowledge. The gap is practice. The gap is kata. Why kata closes the gap? 1. Kata removes decision fatigue. You don't decide whether to practice. You practice at 7:15 every morning. Automatic. 2. Kata builds muscle memory. After 90 days, it's not hard. It's just what you do. 3. Kata creates compound results. Small practices repeated daily compound into massive change. 4. Kata is personal. It fits your life, so you actually do it. Marcus had all the knowledge Chun had. Same books. Same advice, but Marcus tried to think his way to wealth. Chun practiced his way to wealth. Thinking doesn't change behavior. Practice changes behavior. Kata changes behavior. So here's what you need to understand about financial advice and wealth. Kata teaches. Knowledge is the beginning, not the end. Reading about money is step 1. Practicing money behaviors daily until they're automatic is how you actually build wealth. Your challenge this week. Choose one financial behavior. Design your minimum viable kata. Commit to 90 days. You can make it public. Commit, practice, transform. If this video made you realize you've been collecting information instead of building practice, you're not alone. But now you know the difference. Subscribe to Monetisum for more wisdom that turns knowledge into action. Remember, information tells you what to do. Kata makes you do what? Build your kata. Build your wealth. Ancient principles. Modern prosperity. This is Monetisum. Thank you for watching.